Here I have VIVO IQOO 5 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off front camera mirroring effect on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, then tap here, go to its settings, and here you have an option mirrored selfie. So just for example, let me show you how the photo with this feature enabled looks like, and then let's take another one with it disabled. And as you can see, there's some difference between these two photos, yeah. Like here we have lamp on the left side and here on the right side. So yeah, and that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.